everybody. So today it's nice and sunny. So we're bringing our beautiful plants from yesterday, Mother's Day, out here. Look at the beautiful pot I got. So the reason I pull it up is because I'm going to show you, I did put a few rocks at the bottom. There's no hole at the bottom of these, and I just want to make sure there's a little bit of air that gets in there, or sometimes the water gets trapped in there. I think it's a thing, so I'm rolling with it. Put some rocks in there, and then I'm going to go ahead, and what we have, of course, is our Giant of Italy parsley here, and then this one is our Titan parsley, and we're going to put the both of these in here. And in the meantime, if you want to enjoy the beautiful forest behind us, if you can see a bird or any kind of animal behind me, listen to all the sounds. We have the neighbors, the train, all sorts of noises here. But what I'm going to do is fill up these pots about halfway. These are little things. And then once I fill them up halfway, I'm going to make sure I have a hole in the middle of it, so that, here's a good piece. Now I got some organic soil here. It's up to choice what you use. I don't want to spend a fortune on the soil necessarily, but since this is, you know, what we're going to eat, and you know, the beginning of what we want to make into a nice ongoing garden, you know, now's the time to just spend a little bit more maybe on your soil. This wasn't too expensive. I don't know what organic means, or whether you should use more of a compost of sorts, or this kind of a thing. But this is what we're using today. It looks very, very, very healthy, and I can smell it, and it feels great on my hands, which is part of the goal of this, not just for the health of, you know, the fact that we're making the herbs and the vegetables, but also for the wellness of making sure that we're always in contact with Mother Earth. So I'm going to put this one in here. As you can see, we're about halfway in there, and then I'm going to make sure that there's enough space, a hole in the middle here, so that the plant fits. And then once I have the plant in there, I'm going to go ahead and carefully, and then we're going to of course save the name. I find that to be very important, especially since I learn about it and see what properties one has over the other in terms of our health and what it means for us to eat homegrown, and or even if not homegrown, when we go to the grocery store and we pick out our fruits and our vegetables and our herbs, how we can enhance our meals, but also use it for healing. This is what we hope for. A little bit more. And more and more. So, okay. I got enough soil around this now. I'm going to just take a little bit and make sure that I pack it in a little. Make sure it knows it's home. Make sure I have it aligned straight up if we can. Open it up, let it know. Hi, baby. Talk to your plants. Give them names if you want. We always want them to do well. And just put a little loose on top here. And then, you know, if you like to do your little decorations, you can put little rocks and things like that as well. Bring the bag near me. I'm going to do the same on this side. Oh yeah, let's put our little tag in here. This one up is the Titan parsley. Of course, I'll pick up all of the debris and the leftover and make sure we dispose it properly. So I'm going to put this towards the back more, so we know. And that's a real fun activity to do as well, is we can make our own little labels for our pots and enjoy doing that as well. All sorts of things you can do, stakes in the ground, but very fun. Gardening is so much fun, and you can add so much to it to make it your passion and your hobby, and to feel really, really good Mother Nature. So we're gonna be careful when we pull that out, because, you know, I have pulled off the whole thing. So you live and you learn, but we hope not to learn too much, because we just want to spend our money once and then have it work for us as this continues to grow and we continue to be able to have our own and know where it comes from, and that we talk to it and we give it good water and good sun, and of course we take advantage of the health benefits and the wellness benefits of everything we do here. That's the goal. Try to get things that give us some fun and purpose, health and wellness, and I think that in itself will make it a better world for everybody. Look how beautiful. It's just so pretty. It's so pretty. I love how it looks. I love my little container. Obviously in honor of Mother's Day for my kids, and my husband did such a great job at celebrating with me and making me feel special. And then in turn, I want to appreciate it and thank them for this gift, the forever gift that keeps on giving. So see how beautiful? And I love our container. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna add, I'm gonna put it just a little bit more loose up here, just so it's not so far down. A little more. And just lift these up like if they were hair. Again, parsley, so good for you. Just eat it right off. Enjoy it. We're also going to put, this one is the Giant of Italy, so we're going to put this one here so we always know the name as well. And then we're going to give it a little bit of water so it knows that we love them. And of course we'll tend to it and make sure they're doing well. And then we'll thank them. By eating a little bit of it. All right, beautiful. Look how lovely it looks, everybody. Want to share with you. This will go inside the house now. So pretty. And they'll keep growing, they'll get bigger. I can pick from them, I can eat from them. We can cook with them. We can garnish our dishes with them. But certainly, they give us so much happiness. Love you, happy to share. We'll keep going.